fellow guitarists, and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscription button below and turn on the notification bell to get all the videos that we post. Okay, so today we are going to be discussing the song by Oliver Mtukudzi, Hazuyere, and we'll be dwelling on the lead or the melody that's in the guitar. I hope this helps. Stay tuned. So the key of the song is in G. If you want to check out our easy guitar songs that are in the key of G, you can click on the card showing above. So, how are we going to be playing this song? Firstly, we have to know the major scale in this shape. On the 10th fret, 5th string. So this is the major scale shape that you have to be having in your mind as we play this song. So the first notes, right, so you bar, on your 7th fret you bar with your first finger, the 1st and the 3rd string, and then with your 2nd finger you place on your 8th fret, 2nd string. And then at the end, you can just down pick because we're going on the same direction. And then on the last note is on the 10th fret of our 1st string right there. So that's change. So right there we'll be holding on our 9th fret with our 2nd finger, 3rd string, and then with our 1st finger we'll be barring the notes on the 8th fret of the 1st and 2nd string like that. Just like the triad. C major triad. We don't forget this 5th note of the major scale. That's on our 10th fret and 1st string. Like that. So 1, 2, 3, back to the 1st shape. You play it twice again. And then the next lead line is going down the major scale. So we start on the 1st note of the major scale, which is on our 10th fret, 5th string. And then with our 1st finger we go to the 4th string, 7th fret. Then with your 3rd finger you go to the 9th fret. Then your 4th finger on the 10th fret of the 4th string again. And then you go to the 3rd string with your 1st finger, 7th fret. Like that. So it's now. And then with your third finger, you go to the 9th fret. And then you go next to the 7th fret with your 1st string. So these notes are not single notes as you would have noticed from the song. So it's double stops. So it's played in double stops. So from the 7th fret, from the F fret you go and play the double knot on the 10th and 8th fret. 10th fret of the 2nd string and 8th fret of the 1st string. And then you alternate it with the 8th fret of the 2nd string, 7th fret of the 1st string. So if you want to watch other videos with these notes, you can click on the cards that are showing above. Okay, so in full, thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscription button and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.